What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, back again. And guys, thanks so much for the support in the last video, guys. But yeah, guys, I had a really sexy video today, guys. Cause guess what, guys? Yesterday I had sex. Yeah, guys, Jake gets all the bitches. But anyways, guys, today we're gonna be going to the most secret place in Jailbreak, guys. Also known as the plumbing place. Whoa! Oh my god! Yeah, guys, so radical. Anyways, guys, my brother, I don't know where he is. Who the fuck cares? Go. Yeah, guys. Anyways, guys, what you want to do, guys, is smell these people's feet. Yeah, guys. Now that you've done that, guys, you're gonna find the two real sexy plumbers in the world, guys. If you go down here, guys. Right? If you keep running, right? If you run backwards. Fuck, there's a policeman. No, don't kill me, guys. And as you can see, there's Mario and Luigi, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my TikTok, guys. Bye!